Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So here, differentiate this. Find dy by dx of this here. If you get a graph plotter, it will look like this. So whatever your derivative is, you make sure that looking at this, your derivative must be positive, positive, positive. It should be in the positive region all the way through. And looking over here, and again, it should be it might be negative down here. I'm not sure what's going on here. But around here, it better be positive, positive, positive. Okay, so yeah. So anyway, find dy by dx of this. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, hang on. So so to do this here, visualize this as a natural log, and then rather than having the square root here, visualize it as to the power of a half. So visualize this thing here as this. Now, when it's a power of a half, and then you've got a log here, you can actually move it out here. So it will become this here. Okay, and then looking at this block here, whenever you have a natural log of one thing divided by another thing, that's the same as that thing there. Take away the natural log of the bottom bubble here. So so this then becomes this this. Okay, and then hang on, and then again use the same rule here. Looking at this here, you've got a power of 7 here, so you can move this out here. So so that the 7 goes down here. Now it's just a matter of this, and then the same goes over here. This 5 here, and then you've got this. So now it should be quite easy to differentiate. So now now differentiate. So this here will become 1 over whatever this bubble is here. Okay, same goes over here. Looking at this here, when you differentiate this, it will be 1 over this bubble here, 1 over this bubble here. Okay, and then this 7 gets multiplied to the top, and so on. So it's just a matter of tidying up, and then blah blah blah, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. So dy by dx equals this. Okay, so now get a graph plotter, plot your original y, and then plot this this dy by dx here. Okay, plot this, and it should give you this blue line here. So the blue line here is our derivative. Okay, now let's just roughly check. So looking at the red line, our original y equals blah blah. You can see it's going uphill here. So the derivative must be positive. Okay, so now looking at the blue line, it is in the positive region, so it makes sense. Okay, and if you look back at the red line, you can see that around here, yes, it is positive, and it's quite low. The gradient is quite low. So now looking at the blue line, the gradient is quite low around here, and it is still positive. Now looking around here, I'm not sure what's going on here. I don't know if it's going uphill or downhill or what, but around here, you can see that it's going positive, and the gradient gets steeper and steeper by quite a lot. Now look at the blue line, it is positive and it's getting bigger and bigger. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. Maybe this region here is not in the domain, so you can pretty much forget about it. But I'm not sure. Okay, so I don't know what's going on. But the derivative here seems to be correct. Okay.